In a tranquil village embraced by towering mountains, there lived a young man named Aidan. His reputation for intelligence, kindness, and diligence drew people to him effortlessly. Yet, a curtain of obscurity veiled the respect he truly merited due to a series of 6 habits that impeded his journey towards self-actualization. Foremost among these was Aidan's struggle with procrastination. He habitually postponed tasks, convinced that time was an infinite resource. This habit not only squandered opportunities, but also left tasks unfinished, though those around him recognized his potential. They also voiced concerns about his tendency to delay. Deep within, Aidan knew this habit stunted his progress. Yet conquering it seemed a formidable task. One fateful day, Aidan crossed paths with a venerable Zen master known as Master Ru, seeking guidance to overcome his limitations and earn the respect he craved. Aidan embarked on a journey to find Master Ryu, whose abode rested atop a nearby mountain. Master Ru welcomed Aidan with a serene smile, gesturing for him to sit. Aidan shared his battles with procrastination and his yearning for genuine respect. Master Ryu listened intently, his words flowing like a calming river. Aidan, Master Ryu began. Respect is an essence that emanates from one's being. To earn respect from others, one must first cultivate self-respect. Shed the habits that shackle your potential. First among these is procrastination. Embrace discipline, for it opens doors to growth. The present moment is all we truly possess. Aidan nodded, a spark of hope igniting within him. He realized that conquering procrastination was key to unlocking the respect he desired. Master Ryu continued, doubt hampers progress. Trust in your capabilities. They harbor the potential for greatness. Remember, every remarkable journey begins with a single step. Aidan inhaled deeply, absorbing Master Ryu's wisdom. Empowered by these words, his self-assurance surged. Negative self-talk corrodes the spirit, Master Ryu advised. Words shape reality. Replace self-criticism with self-compassion. Encourage and uplift yourself as you would a friend. Gratitude filled Aidan's heart. He recognized the destructiveness of his inner dialogue and committed to nurturing self-compassion. Fear of failure stalls growth, Master Ryu explained. Embrace failure, explained. Embrace failures as stepping stones. They reveal your resilience and teach valuable lessons. Aidan felt a weight lift as he grasped the potential for growth within failures. Seek validation from within, Master Ryu urged, addressing the 5th impediment. Forge your path based on values, not external approval. Authentic respect emerges when one lives aligned with their truth. Aidan internalized these words, realizing that external validation was a fleeting pursuit. His self-worth would flourish by living authentically. Concluding, Master Ryu imparted, release the need for control. Life's rhythm is unpredictable. Surrender to its flow, for therein lies wisdom. Aidan closed his eyes, absorbing Master Ryu's final counsel. A sense of liberation washed over him as he embraced the idea of letting go. With renewed determination, Aidan expressed gratitude to Master Ryu. Master Ryu, your wisdom ignites a transformation within me. I'll shed these habits, procrastination, self-doubt, negative self-talk, fear of failure, seeking external validation, and the need for control. Master Ryu's eyes twinkle with contentment. Aidan, remember, respect blooms from alignment with values and authenticity. May your journey be enriched with joy and the respect you seek. And so, Aidan embarked on his journey of metamorphosis. Day by day, he relinquished old habits, adopting practices that propelled him toward his true potential. Gradually, both Aidan and those around him noticed a change. His commitment to goals solidified, his self-assuredness radiated, and his inner monologue transformed into an encouraging symphony. Aidan's journey became an inspiration, motivating others to embark on their own quests for self-discovery and growth. His narrative underscored that true transformation was born from within, achieved by dismantling limiting habits and embracing empowering one. Aiden's evolution underscored that the path to genuine respect began with self-respect. As Aiden gazed at the village he called home, a swell of gratitude enveloped him. Gratitude for Master Ryu's guidance, the lessons he internalized, and the respect he had ultimately earned. Not by seeking validation, but by transcending the habits that once held him captive.